2021 is no different from any other year when it comes to diversity, equity, inclusion for Schneider Electric, but probably, especially with the events of last year, on various fronts, we're accelerating and doubling down even more. And one of the big ambitions we have for that is really making stronger progress when it comes to gender, and gender both in the hiring, frontline middle management, and senior executives when it comes to balanced gender representation, in our case, increasing the number of women. You can't work in a vacuum just with your company. Trying to advance DEI is also about shifting some of the trends and some of the systemic institutionalized challenges we all face globally. What was our say-do ratio at the end of the day? And at Schneider, we're very clear. We hire for skills, values, diversity, and potential. And we don't check the box on all of them for every single hire, but we really try hard to meet as many of those metrics as possible. We've seen some amazing results in terms of the shift, in terms of diversity of positions and who's getting those positions, and hopefully over time, even more employee-driven empowerment in making some of those decisions. When we tackle together systemic racism, institutionalized economic inequality, social issues, it lifts the whole tide, right, for all of us in terms of the broader ambition we all have for our companies as well.